come Banku Anna, say Banku. Boss.
Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our other videos and share with your friends.
Hello, beautiful people. Today I decided to try chicken okra stew. It's my first time. Hey, yes, you heard me right. I said chicken. Akukonam. This is the hard chicken, the one we use to make soup. But to make it even easier, you can use the soft chicken. I went ahead to wash it nicely and season it with some adobo seasoning, some ground ginger and onion powder. Mix, cover, and allow this to cook. This is my pre-cooked garden eggs and okra. Me de nyadwa e fry se de Ghana yen na pepe. Now this is what I'm going to use to make the banku: cassava dough and corn dough. Mix it well. If you want a detailed video, I'm going to link it up there and at the end of the video as well. Do not leave this unattended. Season it with salt if you eat salt. Keep stirring to avoid lumps. I also went ahead to check on the chicken. I remember it's hard chicken, so check on it, and from time to time add water if you need to, because it needs to soften up, right? I know you are enjoying me, but please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This is how our banku is looking. Is it banku? Aye, banku. A banku and one. So now is the right time to press it to the side of the pot to prevent it from becoming lumpy. So yes. Cheat. So as I said earlier, I'm going to link a detailed video at the end of this as an end screen, okay? And I'll do well to link it up there as one of the cards. Don't forget to also click on the like button. I am not so Once you realize it's smooth, go ahead and add hot water, okay? That's what I would recommend. Do not forget to check on your chicken. Add water if you have to. As I said, I'm using hard chicken. A very big thank you to my returning subscribers. Charlie, me damasi bebre. Check it bankuno. Turn it, yeah? Let the top part go underneath. And then cover it back. Add more water if you have to. That is what I did. Clean the pot nicely, what I say, and the wooden spoon. Aye. Nekataso na embing. Moving to the stew base, we're going to be using 2 medium-sized tomatoes, 1 red bell pepper, a large onion, and half of a small onion, and some Scotch bonnet peppers. Blend it nicely. You can choose to blend it smooth or coarse. Okay, I used the ice crush button. So I transferred my okra into the bowl that I showed earlier, and then transferred the chicken into that. Hey, just a transfer, teacher transfer. So preheat your palm oil and add the blended mixture. Stir periodically and allow this to fry well before you season it. We don't want any moisture in that, right? Since the other pot has taken its lid, I covered the banku with a kitchen foil. So I kept checking on my stew base, making sure that the bottom doesn't get burnt. So and the chicken was doing so well. I had added, I think, my second water. As you can see, the stew base has thickened up nicely. So I went ahead to season it with some salt, some ground ginger again, all pepper seasoning. Stir very well Go easy with the salt, okay? I was tempted to turn this stew base into a spinach. Ana katwaibi. Oh, agusi a stew. And I'm so denye but I still added geisha mackerel. You can use any brand of your choice. Geisha. This brings back memories. Wow, Ghana, you know, those of us who grew up in Ghana, you know what I'm talking about, right? Hey, bro, funny dear. Yay!
That is ready to eat.
The banku is ready.
Yay! Banku.
Yeah, baby.
You need a big stew.
Yes.
Not just a tiny stew.
Because me, I can eat for England.
What?
So,
You're just gonna...
I can eat for England.
You have to eat of England.
Bonus here, no.
Then you have to eat of England. Do you want to be a police officer? Or a
Firefighter.
Yeah, or a doctor like me?
Firefighter with food.
Oh, do you want to be an astronaut?
I did attempt to say me fan nani kuntum race to cry. The same base, right? So if Santa doesn't bring you any gift, are you going to cry?
No.
You're not going to cry?
No.
Why?
Because I'm not a baby.
Oh, pretty Alicia is no longer a baby. I'm testing the waters. Let's move some pad there.
Nurse. I really want to have... Yeah, you're going to be a nurse. Well, you're already a nurse because you take care of people.
Please let me know if you've tried chicken okra stew before. And then the cravings now and why is it? Papa, hey, why it's away the man? Hey, pretty Sarah. Ekoye mama, ready ekoye mama. Hey, ekoye mama, ready ekoye mama. Hey, we're proud of the more, Charlie. A big guy.
Sarah, give a big clap to pretty Sarah. Give a big clap to pretty Sarah. This is BANKU.
Yes, BANKU.
Make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss our other videos. Make sure you like and share too.
Let's add our okra.
Share with your friends, everybody. This is BANKU with okra. I'm with professional, right? Professional.
Pretty Alicia always knows what to say. Just when I'm about to say it, now she takes the seal out of my mouth. Literature student, yapa. So subscribe for me. What? Come BANKU ana, say BANKU. Boss, chicken okra stew.
Give a big clap to pretty Sarah. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our other videos, and share with your friends. Bye-bye.
Bye. Oh my God. Come on.